Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to mint an NFT on OpenSea. First, you'll need to connect your crypto wallet, like MetaMask, to the OpenSea platform. Make sure your wallet holds enough cryptocurrency to cover any potential gas fees for the transaction. Once connected, locate and click on the Create button, usually found in the top right corner of the OpenSea website. This will initiate the process for bringing your digital art to life as an NFT. Next, it's time to upload your digital asset. This could be an image, video, audio file, or even a 3D model. After uploading, give your NFT a compelling name and write a detailed description that highlights its unique aspects. You can also add properties, levels, or stats to enhance its appeal. If you have exclusive content for the buyer, use the unlockable content feature to include it. Now, you'll configure the technical settings for your NFT. Select the blockchain you want to use. Polygon is a popular choice for its significantly lower gas fees compared to Ethereum. Then, choose an existing collection for your NFT or create a new one to organize your creations. Finally, decide on the supply, typically one for a unique piece or a higher number if you're minting multiple editions. Before the final step, carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure everything is accurate and as you intend. Once satisfied, click the Create button to mint your NFT. You'll then need to confirm the transaction in your connected crypto wallet, which will finalize the process and make your NFT live on OpenSea. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.